If you're a student, one thing you want to do for yourself is to have a passive income that allows you to effectively balance work life with school. Passive income is the holy grail of earning money. It means putting in a few hours daily, weekly, or monthly so you can earn consistently with little or no additional work. Studying and working at the same time can be really stressful, and sometimes what you earn might not be enough considering the limited hours you have to work as a student. So in this video, I have a list of passive income ideas guaranteed to pay you thousands of dollars with little hours committed weekly or even monthly. Whether you're studying abroad or in your own country, these passive income ideas will give you time to manage your responsibilities and help you live a normal student life. So without further ado, let's get started. My number one idea on the list is creating a YouTube channel. Being a content creator on YouTube is one of the best ways to make money as a college student. With YouTube, you can build a large audience with subscribers in order to attain the monetization threshold. All you have to do is to set up a YouTube account and start producing high quality content for viewers, engagement, and retention. The good thing is you can create content based on anything. It could be your interest, your hobby, your passion, or even your lifestyle on campus. You can create content by just turning on your camera and filming your everyday life. Aside from making money from ad revenue, you can also earn from advertising your personal products, affiliate marketing, or even brand sponsorships. The ultimate goal is creating content that people want to watch and come back for more. So building your audience can take a bit amount of time and effort, but once you reach a certain number, making money becomes easier. My number two passive income idea on this list is cryptocurrency investment. The crypto ecosystem continues to expand due to the unlimited benefits emerging from multiple cryptocurrencies. One way to make passive income through crypto is yield farming. This technique allows you to connect your cryptocurrency wallet and commit coins and tokens to a lending pool with other investors. That pool is then used to lend to others for interest and fees. You can get paid for participating in the lending process or giving interest on the amount you stake or hold in your account. While crypto investments are quite speculative, it can be a great way to earn passive income, and you can keep earning month after month. So the first thing you want to do is to create a free Coinbase account. Once you have an account, one thing you want to do next is to purchase your preferred crypto based on your market analysis and research. Examples of crypto with high volatility include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. With a steady growth over the years, Bitcoin is projected to cross the 100,000 mark in a few years' time. My number three passive income idea for students is selling stock images. If you love photography as a major gig or as an hobby, then you might want to explore this as a side hustle. The good thing about this idea is you can take a photo once and continue selling the license for as long as you want. You can also charge a one-time fee to a business to sell the image. Additionally, you can work with companies like Getty Images, Shutterstock, for allowing to have your images listed and be sold without any hustle. This is without a doubt one of the best passive income any student can explore to make money. My number four passive income on the list is e-commerce. E-commerce has been in existence for a while now, and it involves creating an online store where you can sell products and services no matter where you are. Whether you're in the US, UK, Nigeria, South Africa, or anywhere in the world, this business works perfectly well and you can make a decent amount without having to spend too much of your time. You can make passive income by running a site that stays active without needing your constant attention. You can make thousands of dollars from e-commerce through dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, display ads, and more. The good thing is you don't need to have any skill provided you choose the right platform. Before I move to the next passive income idea for students, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video if you are getting value from it. And number five passive income idea for students is to become an influencer. Becoming a social media influencer comes with unlimited opportunity to earn passive income. It allows you to collaborate with companies by promoting their brand to your audience. As a social media influencer, you can generate tons of revenue by monetizing your content and get paid based on your audience size and engagement. You can also collaborate with companies and get paid to promote their brand to your audience. One way to make this really profitable is by growing your following and creating quality content for more engagement and interaction. You can charge your clients anywhere from $100 to $10,000 per post, depending on your niche and audience base. As a student, this is one of the best ways to generate consistent revenue while focusing on school activity. And number six passive income idea for students is creating a mobile app. Your goal in life is to be financially stable. Then you need to solve a problem, and this is where app development comes in. A starting point for generating passive income through app development is to identify a specific problem. This will be something you know one or two people struggling with. It could be a poor money saving habit, procrastination, or inability to meet deadlines. Once you identify a specific problem you want to tackle, the next thing is to create a strategy to execute your plan. App development requires coding, but the good thing is you don't have to learn it. All you have to do is hire a developer on freelancing platforms and present them with your idea. Once the app is running, you can earn passive income by charging monthly or yearly fee for users to use the app. And you can also make money from ad revenue. Keep in mind that an intuitive interface, quality user experience, and high performance is essential to achieve the best outcome. My number 7 passive income idea for students is creating digital products. Making passive income from selling digital products requires creating a step-by-step tutorial on a specific problem that many people are struggling. This problem could be on health and wellness, weight loss, or even creating a new recipe. If you know how to train a dog or groom a cat, you can create digital product and charge a one-time payment. You can create a website to sell your digital product, but the best way to sell and earn passive income from your artwork is by listing on platforms like Amazon KDP, Udemy, JBZoo, and Clickbank. Interestingly, you can create a product once and you can earn for months or even years without lifting a finger. If you ask me, I would say this is a great source of passive income for a busy student or even a graduate waiting for an employment. If you spend some time to make a great product, you can earn from $500 to $10,000, which can potentially make you financially stable throughout your studies. Your revenue will mostly depend on the amount of traffic you drive to your product, your conversion rate, and the amount of the course. My number 8 and the final passive income idea for students is creating an online course. This might sound like creating a digital product, but it is a bit different. Here you create an online course that requires a specific period to complete. If you love teaching a specific subject, you can create a video course around the subject. The course can be subscription based, or you can grant a lifetime access after payment. You can also create a community around the course where subscribers can ask questions and interact with other users. Some examples of courses you can create include coding, crypto trading, or how to use a specific software. You can decide to create a personal website to host the course, or consider listing on platforms like Udemy. So guys, what passive income idea do you think is the best, and which of these would you consider as a student? Please make sure to share your thoughts in the comment below. If you look forward to more videos like this, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified of my newest video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.